Welcome to the weekly overview of the global financial markets. The euro was little changed last week against the dollar, but was highly volatile amid some positive CPI data from the Eurozone. The US Federal Reserve pushed back against calls for a rate cut this year, which provided support to the dollar while undermining the recovery of the common European currency. Strong NFP data on Friday showed that the US economy is in great shape and pushed the greenback up to a 10-day high last Friday. The British pound rose last week but fell on Monday and Tuesday. Optimism that the UK opposition Labour Party and Conservatives were close to agreement on a so-called soft Brexit deal began to fade away. The Japanese yen strengthened against the dollar on rising concerns over the fate of US-China trade talks. The Turkish lira moved slightly down last week, with lower than expected inflation figures on Friday providing the currency with some support. But on Monday and Tuesday, the lira crashed to a fresh low, not seen since October after the Election Commission cancelled the opposition's victory in Istanbul's municipal elections, causing street protests and investor concerns. Gold prices were little changed. Tensions in the Middle East and between the US and China did not reverse the long-term downtrend of gold prices that started in late February. US indices hit an all-time high last week on a strong economy and a slightly better than expected earnings season. But earlier this week, stocks were pressured by renewed trade war worries. Oil prices fell after US President Donald Trump threatened to slap tariffs on imported Chinese goods, amid accusations from Washington that Beijing will not sign up to previously agreed commitments. Concerns that escalating trade tensions between the US and China could hit the global economy weighed on the outlook for fuel consumption. You've been watching the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets.